Once, an ant fell into a river and struggled to get out. A bird flying by saw the ant's plight and felt sympathy. The bird broke a leaf from a tree and dropped it into the river. The ant climbed onto the leaf and safely reached the riverbank. The ant was grateful for the bird's help and remembered its kindness. Later, when the ant saw the bird in danger, it quickly alerted a nearby farmer, saving the bird's life. Moral: acts of kindness, no matter how small, are never wasted. Helping others in their time of need can lead to unexpected rewards and lasting friendships.